Hello mga kabangbang! Should there be a recipe for magic for me that is spending quality time for the people whom we cherish every day? So now, after work, I just had a little magic on my face. There is a food and music festival brought to us by Coke as we celebrate Iloilo as UNESCO's City of Gastronomy. Our Coca-Cola family declared Iloilo City as their second site for the food mark as we celebrate local heritage in the Philippines. So join us tonight. I am now here. Malapit na natin makita yung aking nanay. Hopefully, she will wear the dress that I bought for her para twinning kami tonight. Where are we going?
Festive Walk.
Yay! Thank you.
Mag-game sa to karon.
Congratulations!
Pedbac Badgers! Yay! One for you, Martin! Nanay, if there would be a recipe for magic, feeling mo ano na siya?
Love.
Love you! Ayun kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pinduta ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Rubeinspired!